Hi students, good morning. Today we discuss the exercise 2.2 of class 10. So we discussed the first example in previous class. Okay, now today the example is what? 4s square minus 4s plus 1. Okay, so take this polynomial as ps because here variable is what? S. So let ps is equal 4s square minus 4s plus 1. Okay, so now now ps is equal 0. For zeros we equalize the polynomial to 0. Okay, so ps is equal 0. That means ps is equal what? This 4s square minus 4s plus 1 is equal 0. Then we get what? See, 4s square can be written as what? 2s whole square, because 2 into 2 4, s into s square. Okay, 4s can be written as 2 into twice s into 1, 2 to the 4, and 1 can be written as 1 square. Okay, so what we get, this is a formula: a square minus twice a b is of b square, where a is equal twice s and b is equal 1. Okay, so twice s minus 1 whole square, this is equal 0. And here a square, this is in the form a square, so a square means what? A into s. So twice s minus 1 whole square means twice s minus 1 twice s minus 1 is equal 0. Now multiplication of two terms is 0 if then one is 0 or other is 0. That means we have twice s minus 1 0 or twice s minus 1 0. So we get twice s is equal 1 and we get twice s is equal 1. Here the zeros are same. Okay, from this we get s is equal 1 by 2, and here also s is equal 1 by 2. So the zeros are 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Now we verify the relations between coefficients and zeros. Now sum of zeros is what? Sum of zeros is what? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. That means we get 1. Half plus half, that is 1. Okay, so this is marked as 1, and minus coefficient of s, since the variable is here s, so coefficient of s by coefficient of s square. We get minus coefficient of s is what? Minus 4, and coefficient of s square is 4. So minus minus plus, and 4 by 4 is equal 1. So from 1 and 2, the right side of 1 and 2 are equal. So we get left side of 1 and 2 are also equal. So sum of zeros is equal minus coefficient of s by minus coefficient of s square. And this is the first relation. We have from 1 and 2 we have sum of zeros is equal minus coefficient of s by coefficient of s square. Okay, this one is what? Multiplication of zeros means half into half. That means 1 by 4. And constant term, that means c by a, constant term by coefficient of x square. This is the second relation, coefficient of x square. So constant term is what? My plus 1, and coefficient of s square is what? 4. This is s. So see, this is marked as 3 and this is marked as 4. So now right side are 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So left side are also equal. So from 3 and 4 we have multiplication of multiplication of zeros equal constant term by coefficient of s square. So these are the relations. Hence we verified the relation. So we discussed the example 3. What is given? 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. We write first this example as ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. So first let px is equal this. Then now px is equal 0. That means what we have? 6x square minus 7x minus 3 is equal 0. Now we split the middle term. Now in this case we always remember we find the factors of AC, two factors of AC where sign is what? Negative. This sign is negative, so subtraction of those two factors are equal to 7 and multiplication of those factors are equal to AC. AC means 6 into 3 18. Suppose 6 into 3 what? 18. So we get 2 9 is 18 and 9 minus 2 is equal what? 7. You observe this sign. Okay, so replace 7 by 9 minus 2. 6x square minus 7 means what? 9 minus 2x minus 3 is equal 0. What we get? 6x square minus 9 into x minus 9x minus plus 2x minus 3 is equal 0. So we take common x and here 3 because 2 3 are 6, 3 3 are 9. So 3x we get here 2x minus 3. And here 2 is present here, but 2 is not 2 is not present in this term. Okay, and x is present here, x is not present. So we take common 1. So 1 into 2x, 1 into minus 3. Okay, so 2x minus 3 is present here, 2x minus 3 is present here. So we take common 2x minus 3. So here 3x and here stay 1. This is equal 0. What? Multiplication of two terms is 0. That means this is 0 or this is 0. We have 2x minus 3 is equal 0 or 3x plus 1 is equal 0. This means 2x is equal 3 or here 3x is equal minus 1. So we get x is equal 3 by 2 and here we get x is equal 3 is multiple with x. So if we transfer 3 left side to right side, we get minus 1 by 3. Okay, so the zeros are 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 3. Now we verify the relations. Okay, now we verify the relations. Now sum of zeros, what we get? Minus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 2. Now 3 and 2 LCM 6, 3 2 is 6, 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, 3 3 is 9. So we get 7 by 6 and minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. So what we get? Minus coefficient of x is given what? Minus 7 and coefficient of x square is 6. Okay, so minus plus 7 by 6. This mark as 1 and this mark as 2. So right side of 1 is 7 by 6 and right side of 2 is also 7 by 6. So both are equal. Since the right sides are equal, so left sides are also equal. So what we get? So sum of zeros equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Okay, now multiplication of zeros. First relation is verified. Now multiplication of zeros. So what by 2 into minus 1 by 3, 3 1s are 3, so we get 1 into 1, 1 minus by 2. Okay, now constant term by coefficient of x square, and constant term is minus 3. Constant term is minus 3. Constant term is minus 3 and coefficient of x square is 6. That means 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So right sides are equal, so we get left sides are also equal. So multiplication of zeros equal to constant term by coefficient of x square. Okay, so hence both relations are verified, so if you find the video helpful, please subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching. Okay, bye bye.